Greetings, everyone, and I trust you are having a wonderful moment out there. Please, if you want to really gain from what I am about to say, you must, in any wise or in all wise, see me as a neutral person, not as your brother, not as your friend, not as your boyfriend, not as your husband, but as a neutral being. Because most of the conflicts, most of the hue and cry in this world today is not caused by any external forces. It's not initiated by any foreign bodies. It is initiated by our own ends. It's been created, it's been formulated by our own ends. Why? Because we human beings, we have allowed, we every so often allowed our opinions or judgment as to the things that we see or hear or have to take control of us. We allow our physical elements, those things that are around us, to take control of us. And in so doing, we are automatically imprisoned by or in our own physical matter. And remember, one that is being imprisoned by his or her physical matter can never be free, except he or she is ready. What about readiness? See, the Gnostic Christians said that the only way mankind can be free from his own imprisonment is by the acquisition of divine knowledge. The only way you can be free from yourself, from your own self, is by the acquisition of divine knowledge. And when you acquire this divine knowledge, you have acquired awareness. And when awareness comes, deliverance has come. That is what they are trying to say, because that is the problem of the world today. Because the way we manage our information, the way we see things to be, the way when you hear it, the way you manage that information is our problems today. A pastor was preaching in his church on Sunday service, and he said a lot about Illuminati. He spoke so much about Illuminati, and at the end of that service, some of his members never came back to that church again. They depicted that pastor as a Satanist. The reason God himself was upset with his prophet, he said that he will subtract himself from his prophet, that he will not allow his prophet to enter that temple, his own temple anymore, because they lack knowledge. And God is so upset with people who lack knowledge. And that is why in Christianity today, the devil has infiltrated Christianity to the extent that we don't even know the meaning of Christianity anymore. And this Christendom nowadays is nothing. It's not to write home about, because the devil has taken over, just because of our lack of divine knowledge. You have been hearing about Illuminati. You have watched the footage of Illuminati, their mode of operation, their modus operandi, their symbols or whatever. See, Illuminati is not associated with any form of gods or godism or voodooism or spiritualism. It is purely natural laws. Just as how Jesus came to deliver mankind from their own personal self, from their own physical matter. That is how Illuminati came to deliver mankind from their own physical matter, from their own flesh, because they have seen that the flesh is controlling their entire beings, their entirety. That is why they came. That the flesh is controlling every one of us, and the world is in a total dilemma, total dichotomy. So we don't want such anymore. We want everybody to be equal. Nothing like inequality. That is what the Illuminati is all about. That is why you see that they are always working with these three elements. They believe in the replenishment of the world, preservation of the human species, and love or peace. And that is what Jesus Christ came to preach about. And you tell about the force behind it. It is the God of light that is backing them up. And I have proofs. And now, I have made research as to this Illuminati. I have involved in so many. In fact, let me say, I want to say I have involved. I have partially involved in so many occults. I have seen things myself. Like I told you before, if you want to listen, if you want to gain from what I'm saying, don't see me as your friend. Don't see me as your brother. Don't see me as your lover. See me as a neutral man. Illuminati, their king was formulated because of one thing. Because of oppression. Because they've seen that the way we think is not the way God wants us to be thinking. Let's talk about the pyramid. Oh, the pyramid represent this. The pyramid is satanic. See, that pyramid, before the existence of Illuminati, pyramid has been existing. I think the issue of pyramid started in the 4th dynasty in Egypt. Now, when the Christian age came, they started using that pyramid again. And that pyramid is connected with both the physical aspect of man and the spiritual aspect of man. In the physical aspect of man, the pyramid represents the body, the soul, and the blood. And in the spiritual aspect of man, that pyramid represents God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. And now, you can see the eye. This eye, it is normal. We have seen this kind of eyes before. We have the eyes of Horus. We have the eyes of Aphamat. We have the eyes of many gods. And now, this in the Bible, at least I know I've read the Bible, I've seen it, and now I have seen the eyes, where they illustrated the eyes of God that is being fixed upon the earth. That is what the Illuminati is trying to explain, that this eye is the eye of God, is fixed upon us. So it's not in any way associated with any satanism. And now, we're talking about the science. Oh, this science, Buddha has been using it. Jesus Christ used it. A lot of great philosophers, even Muhammad used it. The science they're like code to communicate to the spirit. It is because you don't know, but you are mismanaging that information. There are normal science, there are natural laws that anybody can use. You can easily use it. In fact, every court has its own science of communication or communicating. That is what Illuminati also initiated. Now, let's talk about the oaths. Now, I think that oath is more important, because a lot of people believe that you must have to sell your soul before you can be part of Illuminati. See, any group can be infiltrated. If the devil could infiltrate Christianity, why can't the devil infiltrate a group like Illuminati? Just imagine. So any group that the devil felt that it can counter them or can be a problem to them, they infiltrate that group. That is what they do. That is their logic. The only way you can counter these people, these demons, this Satan, is by the acquisition of divine knowledge. Look at this oath. Look at it very well. There is nothing like selling your soul in this oath. I have not seen anything. I have not seen such thing in this oath. All they are saying is that sacrifice yourself. You must sacrifice your energy, sacrifice your time, sacrifice your money for the benefit of the world. Preserving the human species, replenishing the earth, and creating peace in your environment. That is why you you are being called to be part of Illuminati, to become an Illuminatian. They are fighting against bad governance, bad leadership. That is what they are after. The devil was scared of this group. That was why they were able to infiltrate this group, to scatter the agenda of equality, freedom of speech. To become a part of Illuminati or to be an Illuminatian, no one can initiate you. I'm telling you right now, no one can initiate you. Nobody can initiate you. The group has a body that is controlling the affairs of Illuminati. No, I cannot initiate you. Your friend cannot initiate you. Even they are part of they are Illuminatians. They cannot initiate you. If anybody tells you that he or she can initiate you, that should bring money, is a big lie. It is not possible. No one can initiate into Illuminati except the body. You must write exams. You write first phase, second phase, third phase. Before you write the exam, you first of all lecture you. Will lecture you online. Then they want to know your message. So you will know what you're up against. Because so that by the time the money is being given to you, you know how to manage the money. Use it for people around you. Those who don't have, give to them. Those who need help them. Sacrifice your energy, your money, everything you have for the preservation of the human species, for the replenishment of the earth. We don't want any extinction of the humankind. That is why the Illuminati are doing this kind of thing. They are giving the money. They will give you the money, not to use it for your own selfish reasons, but use it for the benefit of the world. That is what they are after, not after your soul. Nothing can buy your soul. It is not possible. Nothing can buy your soul. So let's talk about their mode of operation. You have watched some of the footage, how their mode of operation, the way they act. That is a big lie. Illuminati is not an occult group. They are freelancers. What they are looking for is your understanding as to the mysticality of this life. Why are you here on earth? They want to open your eye to the reasons you are here on earth. That is what they're after. I am playing right now. Always forget about what you hear about people, forget about what you see, forget about what you have. Don't always allow whatever your informations or whatever is around you to take over you, to take charge of your entire being. You must learn how to take charge of your physical body. Take charge of your physical self. Take charge of your physical matter. They don't want you to be poor. They don't want you to be sober. They want everyone to be happy. If I have, you have. There will be no quarrel. There will be no misunderstanding. There will be no tears. There will be no sorrows. There will be no pains. That is what Illuminati is aiming at. So I'm urging you, if you have this wrong mindset as to Illuminati or Illuminatians, please, this is the time you have to change your mindset as to them. If you want to be part of Illuminati, it is up to you. Go online, register, write the exams, and you are good to go. Nobody will obstruct you. Don't give anybody money. Don't give anybody money to initiate you to Illuminati. That is a big lie. If anyone has taken money from you and you believe that you are not part of Illuminati, it's a big lie. Anybody can buy their talisman. You can even buy the talisman. If you have money, you order for the talisman. But that doesn't mean you are part of Illuminati or you are Illuminatian. No. You can order for the oath. Put it on the wall of your sitting room. You can buy the talisman, you can wear it. It doesn't mean you are an Illuminatian. It is a free word. But what matters is that it's not being part of Illuminati that matters. It is your indiscretions that matters. What do you believe in? Do you believe in the preservation of the human species? Do you believe in the replenishment of the world? Do you believe in peace? That is what matters. If you can absorb this element, if you can absorb them, you are an Illuminatian. That is how it is. I want to say thank you for listening. More blessings to you.